Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have tons of deals to talk about. We have new coupons, glitches, and money makers. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, now first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other videos going over the new clearance markdowns and visuals for our upcoming clearance event. So if you've missed out on any of those, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and of course go ahead and clip your 525 for Saturday. Up next, we have a buy one, get one free on our Charmin and Febreze small spaces. What you want to do is pick up one of the 12 count Charmin Essentials and one of the Febreze small spaces 2 packs priced at $5.50. That is the best deal with this coupon. After this DG Store coupon is applied, plus we have a one-off one for the Febreze small spaces, that is going to leave you paying $10.50 for both items. Moving on down, your Head & Shoulders coupons will vary from account to account. I know I have a 2-off one for the regular Head & Shoulders. Those are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon you'd pay $2.50. We also have a 2-off 3 for our Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. Those are on sale this week, 3 for $15. So after the coupon you're paying $13 for 3. Moving on down, we have a one-off one for our Angel Soft. Those are priced at $5.95, so after the coupon you're paying $4.95, and then we also have a $1 cashback offer as well, so that will make your final price $3.95. Of course, go ahead and clip all of your Tide and Gain coupons. We have a new 5-off one for the Allegra if you want to pick up the children's. Those are priced at $10.50. After the coupon, you're paying $5.50. Now, on this 2-off one finish, we did have a higher value 3-off one, so double check your accounts for that one before you clip this lower value. We also received a new 4-off one for our Airwick Warmers. Those are priced at $4, so after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Here we have the Febreze coupons, $3.30 off of 2, and then here in a second you're going to see a one-off one. We have Icy Hot, Fast Twitch. We have a new 4-off one for our Airwick Vibrant. Those are priced at $7, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3. Now next up we have a $3.99 off one for the Dawn Power Wash and one of the refills. So this coupon is glitching. You can pick up 2 of the refills. Those are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon you're paying $5.01 for both items, and we have not had a really good Dawn Power Wash deal in a while. Moving on down, we have Mr. Clean. We're going to go ahead and clip our Persil, All, and Purex. We do have a DG Store coupon that we can stack with those manufacturers. We also still have the Colgate and Palmolive Instant Savings this week, so definitely go ahead and clip all of your Palmolive, Colgate, Irish Spring Soft Soap, all of those coupons as well. Here we have a $2.30 off one for the Febreze Fabric Sprays. Those are priced at $5.50. So after the coupon, you're paying $3.20. Now right below it, we have a 3-off one for the Schick Razors. You may still have a higher value 4-off one on your account, so you might want to hold off on clipping this 3-off one. Now, here's a deal that I'm really excited about. We have a 4-off one for our Bic razors, which is a great coupon all by itself. But this coupon is working on our Bic Easy Rinse razors. Those are priced at $6.50. After the coupon, you're paying $2.50. But the deal gets even better because we do have a $4 cashback offer right now on our accounts. So make sure that you have both of those clipped to your account. I'm going to consider this a run deal because on the cashback offer, it does say expiring soon, unfortunately. They do not give us an exact expiration date or time. So I'm definitely going to run out and do this deal today, because after the coupon, you're paying $2.50. After you get the cash back, that's going to make it completely free, plus a $1.50 moneymaker. Now, moving on down, we have a 3-off one for our Febreze Touch Fabric Refreshers. Those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Another fantastic deal. Alright guys, next we've got a 1-off one for our Crest toothpaste. I'm going to skip over quite a few of these, but as you all can see, I have clipped these to my account. Make sure that you guys are tuning in every Sunday. I try to put together a little video like this. That way we can go through, see which coupons to clip, which coupons we might not want to clip to our accounts. There's higher values, lower values, and I try to do that every Sunday. I've tried to get in a habit of clipping all my coupons on Sundays, because if you don't do that, usually by Wednesday or Thursday, some of those coupons will start disappearing, especially our high value coupons. So always try to tune in and clip those coupons before they disappear. Now, we're getting down here, and like I said, a lot of these are repeat coupons that we get every single month. We do have a 2-off one for our Vicks NyQuil. This coupon is glitching. It is working on the 4 fluid ounce bottles. So those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Then we have our Always Discreet, some hair care, Prilosec. We have our Vicks DayQuil 2-off one. This coupon is also glitching. It's working on the 4 fluid ounce liquids. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're paying $3.50. And then right below it, we have a 2-off one for our ZzzQuil products. So with this coupon, you can either pick up the 8-count tablets or the small liquid. Both of those are priced at $4.35. So after the coupon, you're paying $2.35, which is a fantastic deal. Now, moving on down, again, I'm going to go ahead and clip all of these to my accounts. Nothing fantastic, but still, you want to go ahead and clip them. That way they don't disappear on you. We have a Vino, and we are going to start getting into our DG store coupons. So we did receive a 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon, and this one is good through the 16th. So we've got a couple of weeks to use that. Now, here we have a couple more awesome DG store coupons. Dollar General really loaded us up this week on the DG store coupons. So, of course, we have our 5 off 15 for all Purex, Persil, and Snuggle products. So definitely clip that one to your account. That one will expire on Saturday. And then we also have a 5 off 25 for our Quilted Northern, Brawny, Dixie paper plates, Angel Soft, and Sparkle. We do have manufacturer coupons and cashback offers. So I will be putting together some scenarios for both of these coupons. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. I think we're going to have some really good deals. Now, moving on down, we have a 2 off 3 for our Dr. Pepper 12 packs. Those are on sale this week, 3 for $14. So after the coupon, you're paying $12 for 3. We also have a 50-cent off one for our Pepto products. This coupon is glitching. It is working only 12 count. So those are priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Then we have another DG store coupon. This one is save 5 when you spend 30. This one is on the Loves and Pampers products, and it doesn't expire until the 23rd. So again, we do have a couple of weeks to use this. So y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because y'all know I will be sharing all the different ways that we can use these DG store coupons. So that's going to be it for me for now. I have a very, very busy week ahead of me. So like I said, y'all make sure that you stay tuned. And before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.